today I'm making cupcakes. So let me show you things I need. I need flour, milk, and vanilla, and sugar, and salt, and measuring tools, and butter, and eggs, and of course, double.
First, we're going to start off with the flour. So grab the flour.
Yeah.
Okay. And it says that we need 1 cup and a half. So first, we're going to start off with 1 cup. You got 1 cup and a half. So start off with 1 cup, and we're going to pour the flour into that cup.
Okay, guys, you heard my mom.
Okay, so take your time.
You see that, guys? It looks like powder just all over the place.
Okay, now we're going to put a little bit of salt. It says put 1/4 of salt, okay?
Mom, could you please help me?
Good. Actually, it says 1/4 of a teaspoon. So grab your teaspoon. Go ahead. Okay. That's your teaspoon. So 1/4. Let me see. There we go. And sprinkle that.
And then put it in?
Yeah. There we go. And it also says baking powder. Where's your baking powder? Here we go.
So now I gotta use my baking powder.
Okay,
So
it's asking you to put 1 1/4 teaspoon. So first you're gonna get your teaspoon and you're gonna put it in the box and you're gonna put 1. So first you're gonna start off with 1. Okay, put that in there in a bowl. So now it says to add 2 eggs to your butter.
Okay.
Okay.
So now you gotta give me some eggs. I get to crack them, right?
Yep.
Okay.
You crack them on the side of the bowl, like when I'm making breakfast. So crack it. Remember to get no shells. Try not to get any shells in there. Ooh, that's pretty good for your first time. Okay? No shells
It feels weird.
Try this one. Ooh, you're good at this.
I'm not a natural, that's sure. There's some yolk coming.
There we go.
I found the yolk.
There we go. Now put the shell here.
I found the
And
yolk.
mix. Go slowly so you don't make a mess. You gotta mix it so it can become creamy. You want it to be creamy.
Yeah, I want it to be creamy good.
Vanilla extract. There we go. Can you open that, please? Okay, and let me look and see.
Top though.
It's okay.
You want me to open it?
Yes, please. Here.
I'll be right back. I'll be back. Look! I'm looking for the top.
It says to pour, let me see, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extraction. Go ahead and grab your teaspoon again. Remember? There we go. Take your time.
And then just put it in which one? This one?
Yep.
Oh,
Keep going.
it looks nasty right now, but it's gonna look good when it's finished.
Yep. One more.
I can't taste it because
Okay, let's not. Now it says to put the rest of the ingredients in. Okay. So we are going to. Haven't we used yet?
we haven't used milk.
Okay, go ahead and open the milk.
Yeah. Charlie Power.
Okay, so it says 1 cup. So where's your cup?
I don't know.
Let me see.
I think you took it away because I had the egg in it.
Okay.
Do I put it in this one or that one?
So I poured in the flour mix.
Just only 1 cup?
Yeah, 1 cup and a half. So do all the way. Pour it all the way to the top. Okay. Pour it in the flour mix. Okay.
One more mix.
Now you're going to do a half. Your half is here. A half a cup.
More.
All the way to the top. There we go. Pour it in there. Okay. Now it says 2 cups of sugar. You have your sugar?
Yep.
You have your cup? All right, let's go.
Ooh, yeah.
Pour it. Wait, use the other side. There we go. All the way to the top, ma'am. Remember how we did the flour? There we go. All the way to the top.
Now a little bit more.
Got it?
Ooh.
There we go. Pour that in.
And here?
Yes, ma'am.
That's too much sugar.
Go all the way. Then it says, actually 2 cups. You're going to do 1 more just like that. And I'm still trying to mix up this milk and butter for you. Milk, butter, and eggs. You got this.
Look like we're making breakfast.
All the way. Okay. Ooh, it's going to be sugary. Girl. Go all the way. Then it says, actually 2 cups. You're going to do 1 more just like that. And I'm still trying to mix up this milk and butter for you. Milk, butter, and eggs. You got this.
Look like we're making breakfast.
All the way. Okay. Ooh, it's going to be sugary. Girl.
You made me do this.
Woo-hoo-wee.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So let me see. We've done. Let's go down the list. Have we used the flour yet?
Yes.
Check. Have we used the baking powder?
Yes.
Check. Salt.
Yes.
Sugar.
Yes.
Eggs.
Yes.
Let's see. Butter. Yes. Milk. Yep. Vanilla.
I can't taste this.
Yeah. Put the top on, please. And have we used the vanilla yet?
Yes.
Okay, so I think we've used all the ingredients. So while I mix this, I'm going to give you another fork to mix the mix. So stay there.
Okay.
This is the flour mix.
Yes.
Please go slowly.
Why is it chunky at the bottom?
Girl, mix that. Okay, where's the top? Oh, it's on me. It says for us to add the butter mix to the flour mix. Are you ready to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks really good over there, so I'm going to give this to you. You're gonna pour that in.
So I'm gonna take this out.
Yes, go ahead.
Now we're gonna pour the batter into the little cups. Oh yeah.
Putting them in the oven.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you got it. Let's look at it.
They look real good.
Let me see. Okay. Go ahead.
Let's go. And kids, don't do this without a parent's approval.
Or help. Okay. It's the oven. Go ahead. Go ahead and put it in. There we go. Let's set the timer. Okay. Timer for 18 minutes.
18 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay guys, I just got my cupcakes out the oven. And now it's time to put the frosting on. Whoop whoop. Okay.
Squeeze it. Remember, start from the outside, the outer circle. Ooh. We did. Hold on. Not bad. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad.
Now mommy's gonna do one.
Let me try one now.
You got the front row. This actually looks like whipped cream. I like whipped cream.
Okay, you want to do one? You want to do this one right here?
Which one?
Whichever. Remember, start from the outside. Uh-oh.
No.
It's okay. Go. Okay. It's okay. Let's do another
You
one.
gave it a little bounce right there.
Give it a little bounce. Little bounce. Okay. Stop sucking your face. That's nasty. Okay. Not too bad. Okay.
I'm gonna do that one.
Okay. You ready? Let me see if I can get this. Start from the outside. Maybe we gotta hold it from the silver part. Okay. Okay. Ready? Ooh.
It just looks prettier.
Looks pretty? Okay. Alright. We got one more.
Okay, guys, these are my cupcakes. They're so pretty.
You did an awesome job.
And this is my favorite.
Let me see. It's because you did that one. Okay.
Well, that's the end of this video for today. Make sure to like, subscribe. Bye.
You love me. Are you riding? Say you never.